There is health in the movies, and movies can be used for health. Today on the program, we are going to take a look at the movie Asiko Horror, and when they decided to showcase skin cancer. You don't want to miss it. I'll be right back. This is Health in the Movies. I am Dr. Gbenga Adebayo. Thank you for joining us. It's a pleasure to come your way to showcase and highlight the hits and the misses of health in the movies. Movies are powerful. They are there to entertain us and, of course, to inform us. There are attitudes and values that you have today that if we look at the roots of these attitudes, I think some movies had the hand in them. So we think it's important that movies get it right when they illustrate and try to portray health issues. Today on the program, we are going to be taking a look at the movie Asiko Horror. Yes, Asiko Horror. A 2019 movie brought to us by Omoface Film Productions, directed by PGS Banana. And we will dissect it one issue after another. Let's take a look at it.
O ti jẹun ni, o fẹ́ tọ́lẹ̀tì. Kí wá ni? Òtútù. Ọmọládé tí mo lọ kọ́ ní yóò dá mi lóhùn. Táwọn máa pè báyìí. Sọ̀rọ̀. Sarah. Bámidélé.
Kí ló kọ?
Bámidélé ni sir.
Age?
42 years.
Tí ẹ bá ṣe kankan ní ọ́fíìsì.
All right, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Yes, sir. Ìkan náà àwọn nọ́ọ̀sì mi ló ní pé kí n yọjú sí i.
Ok, ẹ̀yin lẹ wá wo Mr. Bámidélé.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, sir.
Báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ sí i?
Ọkọ àfẹ́sọ́nà mi.
Ọkọ àfẹ́sọ́nà yín. Ẹ máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹlẹ́dàá yín o. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ mọ ọdún àrùn tó ṣe kó tó ṣe tó wọ́n gbé wá sí i?
No, wọ́n pè mí lórí fóònù pé no, so bá ṣe rọ́ọ̀ṣì wá síbí báyìí nù.
You have to thank your staff very very well. Tẹ́ bá ti lé, tẹ́ bá delay just for 2 hours ni níta àwọn nǹkan bára máa rí. Nítorí nǹkan tó ń ṣe máa yẹn, ó ní cancer of the skin. Jẹjẹrẹ láti inú dẹ̀ ló ti wá. Delay is dangerous. Ọlọ́run kàn ní pé ẹ̀yin lẹ́mí ẹ lò. If not, ẹnu àwa ti try tiwa gẹ́gẹ́ bí iléeṣẹ́ wa àti admit wọn. But ẹ máa ní ìdòwò láti san. Ẹ kọ́kọ́ lọ deposit 50,000 naira.
Right. So, we see the guy. First, I think at a certain point in time, okay, so let's understand with him. Maybe he wasn't sure whether it was his lower abdomen that was paining him, whether it was the upper one, or whether it should. Okay, so it can happen. Yes, you can have an acute abdomen. You can. That's what we call it. You can have just something paining you in the, and it can be severe. When I saw that, what came to my mind was, okay, maybe this guy has a ruptured appendicitis? What could be happening? Is it what is causing the acute abdomen? Okay, so let's continue watching. And then the doctor came on the scene, and doc said, okay, what is your name? I think there was a bit of mistake in the editing again, so because he asked the name twice. Let's pretend we didn't see that. Okay, so he said, what is your name? The man was lying there. The acute abdomen had miraculously disappeared. His tummy was no longer paining. Okay, so maybe they gave him analgesia. Maybe they gave him something to calm down the pain. That's plausible. Okay, so continue watching. And then the doctor, thankfully, thank God, he wore his stethoscope correctly. While he was checking the chest, I don't know what he was listening to or listening for. We usually don't do that. There's really nothing we listen to right in the middle of the chest. And when you want to listen to somebody's chest, you expose properly. And if you didn't want to expose because people were there, you will tell them to excuse you, and then you expose properly, and you either listen to the chest field, the lung fields, or you listen to the heart. But I don't know what he was listening to over the center of the chest, over the sternum. But okay, let's forgive him for doing that, because all those ones, they became immaterial until the doctor called the woman and they went to see the doctor, and the doctor said, your boyfriend has skin cancer.
Nítorí nǹkan tó ń ṣe máa yẹn, ó ní cancer of the skin. Cancer of the skin. Jẹjẹrẹ láti nílẹ̀ ló ti wá.
I really don't know whether to laugh or to cry, because it's apparent that they do not understand the symptoms of skin cancer. Neither did they know the presentation of skin cancer. Nobody bothered to read. The script writer, the director, they just didn't bother to find out what skin cancer was and how to treat it. I wish they had said he had appendicitis. That would have been the easiest thing to say. He needs surgery, let's operate on him, because they sent him home.
Mr. Bamidele, ilé tẹ́ ń lọ yìí, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ lọ fi rest. Tí bá continue láti pé kẹ́ wà ní bẹ́ẹ̀dì ń bí òun máa read.
How? What happened? What did he do? After a few weeks, they said you had been healed of skin cancer. That was a missed opportunity and a disservice to reading the viewers. Black people can have skin cancer. Yeah? In fact, you can think of a very famous man that died of skin cancer, and that is the person of the legend Bob Marley. It was skin cancer. So there's the erroneous belief, the wrong belief that skin cancer is a disease of white folks. Black folks can have skin cancer, and they can die of skin cancer if they don't properly catch it on time and treat it. And we don't treat skin cancer particularly with drugs. You see a mole on your skin, you see something on your skin that is not there, it's growing. It's because skin cancer takes years to grow, and then it kills by metastasizing, and then the person has severe symptoms and dies. So for that guy to be having stomach pain and stuff, it could be skin cancer, and to be skin cancer that has spread. And so there's really need to, at that point, you will need to have chemotherapy or kinds of stuff depending on the extent of the spread. So this movie could have done a great job opening our eyes to skin cancer, what it does, what causes it, exposure to sun. It's a long-term illness. They could have done it. Just a little bit of research or employing somebody that knows better. So please talk with our professionals, their producer, their director, so that you can know the right thing and you can do it properly. And so as you are entertaining, you are informing people, you are educating people, and everyone will be the better for it. Do we get that? Skin cancer is real. Let's do the proper things so that we can get the proper results. So have you seen a movie clip that you watched and you are wondering, what are they doing here? Is this real? Is this for real? Please send it to us. Hit us a comment. And what do you think of this movie and what we've done today? Please hit us in the comment section. We'll be happy to hear from you. Or do you have another movie you'd like us to take a look at? Please put it also in the comment section. Yeah, thank you for watching, and it's a pleasure to come your way. Remember, there is health in the movies, and movies can be used for health. God bless you.